Morning guys, Corey here from Sky's the Limit Car Care, and today I'm super excited to tell you all about the brand new Microfiber Madness Scrub-A-Round. So this product, we just released it 2 weeks ago. It's brand new from Microfiber Madness, and they have basically improved a tool that a lot of people may find familiar, which is a scrub cleaning pad for your interior. It's not something that you want to use on your paint, but it's amazing for interior surfaces. The first thing that Microfiber Madness has improved on the interior scrubbing pad is the stitches on the edges. So what you'll find with the common scrub pad out there is hard edges, sharp edges that can scratch delicate finishes. And you'll find with the Microfiber Madness Scrub-A-Round, there's no hard edges, there's no sharp corners, and even the stitching itself is actually inside of the pad. So the cheap ones that you find out there, the kind of lower quality scrub pads that you find out there, you'll see the edges, the stitches are out here on the side. So there's rough edges and there's threading all out here on the side. What Microfiber Madness did is they make each one of these by hand, and what they do is on the inside, they put all the stitches so that it's on the inside of the pad, and then they also have a special connection here so that this thing doesn't get baggy or come apart. So really good product. We've had great reviews so far. We've sold a ton of them just in 2 weeks alone, so I haven't had a single complaint. Everybody's real excited about the product. 100% made in Germany, as usual. Microfiber Madness has done that with their entire Increda line, the yellow fellow, the Increda brushes, and then now the Scrub-A-Round. So we're going to do a little demonstration for you, and then I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the product. So when it comes to how to use the Scrub-A-Round, you can spray the product directly on the pad itself, or you can spray it on the actual surface. The only time when I would really say it's more important to spray it directly on the pad itself instead of the surface is if you're doing like leather or a warmer surface. In that case, you can get actual streaks if you spray a product on the interior and let it streak, especially on like black finish leather. And it can leave streaks as it comes down. So in that case, it's better off just spraying it directly on your Scrub-A-Round and then doing the scrubbing. But in most cases, it's fine if we just do it like this. And as you can see, I don't have to use that much pressure with the product. That's about the amount of pressure that I've used on this whole panel here. On fabric, obviously it's important to get the product back out of the fabric when you're done. If you're not extracting and you're using Scrub-A-Round solely, then you want to take your towel and soak all that product and any leftover residue back out of there. Wipe off any excess on your vinyl, and that is pretty much it. It's that simple. I'm excited to pull this tape off and show you guys how well this product works. So that's pretty much it for our demonstration. Super excited to take a look at what we've got here. Wow, huge difference. I didn't know how big of a difference it was going to make on fabric. You never know what you've got with fabric, but as you can see, just an incredible difference. Super bright and fresh looking fabric over here, and over here you can still see all of the deep ground in stains and dirt that we had. Even down here on the vinyl, just a huge difference, and on the plastic as well, just a big difference. We haven't even put any type of dressing or sealant or anything on here, and just cleaning it alone makes such a huge difference. So last few things with the Microfiber Madness Scrub-A-Round. One of the most important things with any microfiber tool is how you care for it. That means you don't want to wash it in the machine with cotton and other types of fibers. You want to use it only with microfiber, other microfiber products. In this case, if you do wash it with like cotton or some other type of fabric, you can get all kinds of little, lint and fabric stuck to your Scrub-A-Round, so you don't want to do that. But you can totally wash it in the machine, unlike a lot of the cheaper versions of this type of tool. And you can also wash it by hand, totally up to you. That's pretty much it. I think that we've covered everything for today. I want to thank you guys for joining us. If you have any questions, make sure to ask those below. We'll answer you right away. Any comments, we love to hear those as well. And you'll find links to the things we've discussed in the notes below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks a lot, guys. Talk to you later.